Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy orange sauce. First, combine 1 cup of fresh orange juice with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in a small saucepan. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic and 1 to 2 small red chilies, depending on your preferred spice level. This forms the flavorful base for our delicious sauce. Once your base ingredients are combined, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Now, it's time to introduce the heat. Add your chopped garlic and chilies, stirring them in thoroughly. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to taste and adjust the spice. You can always add more chilies or a pinch of red pepper flakes for extra kick. To achieve that perfect sauce consistency, we'll create a simple cornstarch slurry. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water until smooth. Gradually pour this slurry into your simmering orange sauce while continuously whisking. Keep stirring and cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens beautifully. It should coat the back of a spoon. Your spicy orange sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic drizzled over crispy chicken, pan-seared tofu, or a vibrant stir-fry. For best results, serve it warm. If you have any delicious leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. And hey, for easy meal prep and other great deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers. Enjoy your homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.